Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This video today is going to be different from my other videos. Majority of the content that's on my channel is about braids, twists, or any other type of hairstyle. But I'm going to let you guys know this right now. I do wear wigs. I wear them about four months out of the year. And today is the day I'm going to show you guys one of the wigs. I made this wig because I have a small head. My circumference is about, I want to say 21. So normal wigs that I would like purchase, I would either have to customize or just make a wig myself. And the way that these prices are running, I just will make it myself. So this wig right here, I don't know if you can see in there, this one is a ventilated wig. Let me turn it inside out so you guys can see. This one is ventilated because when I put a wig on my head, it's gonna stay for the time being. I don't have time left and right to be changing wigs. This one will be on it. So this one is ventilated, so when I need to scratch my head, I can just go up in there and scratch it. But yeah, this easy, 21 inches, and this cap that I have is a small. Majority of wig caps are either medium or large, and I have a small head. But we're gonna get started. I'm all done. So you're probably wondering why I sewed it down. Well, this is a 2x6 closure, so bear with me as I get my middle part together. But I want this to be glueless, but on correctly. Like if the wind, that's why I was doing a pull-up test. You know, can't nobody pull it off. Yeah, okay, bear with me. I get this middle part together, but it's sewn in, baby. But you see I sewn it in 2 spots going horizontal, and then I make sure I get the tabs too, so they're not lifting everywhere. And if I need to push my hair behind my ears, bam, like that. All right, bear with me. All right, this one I'm working with. I finally got that middle part under control, and I didn't put anything on the lace just yet, but look at this lace. It's supposed to look like skin, right? So now it's up to you, well me, if I want to, you know what? Let me just finish this up, because I can show you better than I can tell you. Let's go. Hey folks, we're all back and this is the finished product. After I put on my scarf last night, I ended up sleeping in it so it can hold it in place, but this is what we're working with. As you can see, the lace is pretty much undetectable at this point due to how well this closure is, right? And you know what? I always hate seeing people with their wigs or quick weave or something and the lace, not the lace, but the makeup that they use, it matches the skin complexion for their part. I don't think anybody ever pay attention to their actual skin complexion on the top of their head. Your skin complexion in your scalp area is lighter than your skin that's on your face. So yes, you'll be matching the skin when it comes to matching, blending in the lace on your hairline, but in between your parts, take a look at that. It's actually lighter than what you think it is. And I'm tired of seeing these chicks out here with these dark, let me be nice. I'm tired of seeing people out here with these laces that's not matching their scalp complexion. So please, when you get a chance, look at your scalp and you'll notice the difference. So that's why I use that different lace, that different, cause what am I trying to say? Different setting powder for my part, all right? But yeah, we are all done, and I feel as though that we're just gonna keep it rolling with these wigs. But remember, I ain't gonna be changing every day. It's on for a win. It's gonna be on for a minute, and that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces. If you have any comments, leave it down below, and I'll answer them as best as I can. Thank you.